This video covers the documenting of risks in Project Lifecycle Pro. We're logged into our Big Dog Roofing demo environment as Paul Mastiff, who is the project manager on the Dollars Cloud project. Dollars Cloud project is upgrading their current financial system called Dollars from the desktop version to the cloud version. So we're going to go ahead and open the project. I'm going to go to related items, related tab, scroll down, see we have a section for project risks. Now, Paul has already created one risk, 2023 annual close. Here we have a summary that's a high impact, medium probability, and the risk is still outstanding, is still open. So he's going to click this. And in the details, failure to complete the migration by end of 2023 will cause issues for year-end close. Which you can add a lot more detail than that if you'd like. Project, the probability, and these are just high, medium, or low. You can change those values to anything you'd like. Impact, again, high, medium, low. Again, you can change those values. You could change the probability to an actual percentage if you'd like. The statuses are open, closed, realized, right? The risk actually occurred, risk event actually occurred. And then you have the response section, which is a rich text field. You can put in detailed bullet points, etc. Prioritize implementation of corporate general ledger by July to reduce the risk that it would not be complete by the end of the year, right? I'm going to cancel out of this. You also have standard related items. You can attach files here. You can actually attach tasks, etc. Let's go back. Let's create a new project risk. So let's call this risk interface upgrade timing. And what we're going to say here is the corporate interface tool called Spiderways will no longer be supported as of December 31, 2023. Cannot deploy until Spiderways upgraded. All right, because we've got lots of interfaces from Dollars. Those have to be rebuilt in the cloud version, and we need to build them on the new latest version of Spiderways, which there's a separate project in IT to do the upgrade. So we have a dependency there. Probability that the risk will occur, let's say, is medium at the moment. Impact, of course, would be high. Status, right, again, is open. And then we say, well, how are we mitigating this risk? Save that. And now we have these risks. The project sponsors, the project steering committee members, project team members, of course, have all visibility to these risks, so they understand what the risks are, and what are the mitigation steps being taken, right? The sponsor can go in and say, okay, what steps are we taking to address that? That sounds reasonable. Or do we need to do something else? Right? Right there for anybody to reference. Now, what this isn't, it isn't a full-fledged risk matrix where you apply a cost, right, or a schedule uh, increase in weeks, apply that against a percentage of probability, and do those types of calculations. That's potentially on the roadmap that we would continue to flush this out, build it into a true risk matrix. But of course, this being Salesforce, you can do a lot of that yourself if you wanted to do so in modifying this object. All right, so that's risks in Project Lifecycle Pro.